What up, y'all? This is some footage from a Tautog and blackfish trip I just did, and there's not too much footage on here, and that's only because it was a full day trip and I only had 2 batteries with me, and sadly I missed the part at the end where I really got the hang of this, and I was basically pulling up a fish every single cast. But there's still some good footage in here, and there's still some like good beginner stuff, and this was a really fun trip overall. I went with my family, and it was just fun trip overall. Like, we were slamming the fish. Started off a little slow, but we got the hang of it pretty quick and got some fish, so enjoy.
Sea bass are delicious, yes. Yep. And you don't want to bounce your sinker too much. If anything, you want it to be still. You're going to feel the scratches. You're going to go. But you're waiting for that big bite. Yeah. So what happens is there's a lot of choggies and probably small sea bass down there. But as they keep biting our crabs, we're going to start attracting bigger and bigger fish. Yeah. Plus, the ones that we're going to catch that George is eating right now, where'd that come from? Probably crab. What did that just jump out? And remember, you can also just grab him and pull them off like when you first grab him.
Right.
You're well, hell of a lot stronger. He don't stand a chance.
No, he does not.
Yeah.
That hurts a lot. I never got bit by a crab.
Yeah, good fight.
One's
now,
nibbling mine right now.
That's a tog. That was a tog bite.
I think I should just go for it.
Hit him.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. You're going to get the hang of this.
Yes,
this
sir.
This is a fun fishery. You know why? You can set the hook a lot.
Yes, sir. Best feeling.
There we go. Little tog.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Bring him over.
Ready? Now open your bail. Reach down, open your bail.
Yes,
Give
sir.
yourself some slack. There you go. I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay. Right. Hooker. When you get a short one, you got to unhook it. Go like this. Ready? You paying attention to? Yep. Take this. Put the hook in there like this. Turn the line so it goes to the water.
Oh, that's smart.
And then come right off.
Sweet. This fish is goofy, bro.
Oh, yeah.
On again.
Oh, someone's getting the hang of this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Alright, ready to stop reeling right there?
Oh, right. I hooked him in the side.
There you go. Now you can just grab your line. Perfect. No, small sea bass.
Got him in the side.
Oh, that's a good one.
Look at this thing.
Yep, it is.
Rob, I snagged this one.
Yep, so use the same other one. Oh, I put them in the... Oh, I bleed them all in there. Oh, okay. I just put them in there to hang out for a second.
You keep this one too?
No, he's too short.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Foul hook too. Can't count that.
They will come.
Oh my God, look at this one.
Oh man, don't pull the drain plug out. Oh, you're...
Bro, I had a big one. You saw how big that one was? You saw how small that thing was?
Come on. There you go. It's better that way. It's much more fast.
It's gotta be the biggest fish. Oh yeah, good one.
Isn't hogfish fun?
It's fucking awesome. I'd say this better than the tuna just because I didn't catch too many of them.
Ooh, nice one. Stop right there. Damn. Walk backwards.
Yes, sir.
What's it like?
Oh, that's not good. That's not good.
Yeah, so you want to keep the rod's right up here. Stop reeling once he gets up to the water.
Heard.
Is that way? Got him. put meat in the box here.
How do you hold these?
You can literally reach in.
They don't got bad teeth.
Teeth, but they can't. Like, they have teeth, but it's not that strong. You know what I mean?
All right.
So
Yeah. Okay, can you get a picture? Look at this fucking thing, bro. Yo, Dylan. Yes, sir. That's what's up.
Bring the line straight down. Oh, that's what I did. Okay. All right, here you go. I'm gonna make you do it till you get it right. You're never gonna learn until today. Oh, shorty sea bass. Got the scupper. Throwing them back. That thing's too tiny. That ain't even a sandwich.
Bro, what is this?
What?
A what?
That is a carver. No, that's not a carver. That's a...
Dude, what is this?
Bait stealer, choggy.
Oh.
We're gone.
Bro, I'll take a picture of this thing, bro. Bro, what the hell? Yes. Trying to get it out. It's on there good.
You feel it?
Yeah, try it.
Oh, your hook's stuck.
Oh.
So here, I'll go like this. My hook's stuck. I'll leave it there. See if they'll chew on it for a second.
Oh,
If
right.
you have any bait left, they'll pull it off of the bottom for you.
Right. Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
Yeah, you didn't steal your bait that time.
Sir. Here. There we go. That worked. Get the hang of it eventually.
You will. It's just practice.
Yes,
I've
sir.
only been doing this for like my whole entire life.
Yeah, so it's a little easier. Nicer one.
Blackfish.
Oh yeah.
Nice little guy.
Hey, listen, guys, that right there, that's a dangerous ass fish.
Really?
Bite your finger and it really
Dude,
hurts.
and they'll clamp down like a pit bull and won't let go.
Yeah.
Really? Y'all can't.
No.
Now, oyster cracker.
Oyster crackers.
Now that's a devious fish, bro. Look at that thing. That thing's crazy looking.
Gotta take a picture of that.
Yeah, I did.
That fish right there is